Hey, g'day there. It's Craig from KickAss, and let's check out our KickAss premium inverter wiring kits. Now, what we've done, we've made one kit to suit every single KickAss inverter. So we've got our 1,000-watt inverter kit, our 2,000-watt inverter kit, and our 3,000-watt inverter kit. And the reason we've done this is the biggest question I always get is, what size wiring should I use? What size fuse should I use? How long should it be? All those sort of things. Well, guess what? We've taken care of it all for you. It's already done, ready to rock and roll. You absolute ripper. So each kit comes with the right size fuse to suit that inverter. And the beauty about it, we've used these KickAss mega fuses. They're also known as a MIDI fuse, so they are available in just about every parts shop or just about every service station across Australia. We throw 2 with each kit in, but there you go, the correctly rated fuse. Now, the beauty of these fuses, they're a simple bolt-in design, and you've got this really nice clear window that can actually show you if the fuse has shorted or blown, which is really, really cool. Now, I'll show you under the hood. Now, check this out. Under these heavy-duty covers, there's your fuse. So once again, it's just a simple bolt-in and bolt-out design. You absolute ripper. Check this out. We've got the correct size heavy-duty terminals to suit each individual inverter size, as well as each terminal is also heat-shrinked as well. You absolute beauty. So there you have it. Whether you're running a 1,000-watt inverter, a 2,000-watt inverter, or the 3,000-watt inverter, the KickAss Inverter Premium Wiring Kits. Head online or head in store today.